Hey, what's up everybody? It's Josh here from Thirsty Affiliates. I want to take you through in this video a tour of one of my favorite features in Thirsty Affiliates Pro. This is a feature that is great for improving your affiliate marketing and the conversion rate of your offers. So it's called Geolocations. Geolocations, essentially what it does is takes the visitor when they're coming through to your website, they'll go to an affiliate link, and then you can provide a different location to go to based on their country of origin. So say if you were doing a bit of affiliate marketing for Amazon, you'd be able to send some people to the US store, and those would be your US customers, and then for Canadians you can send them straight to the Canadian store. Italians, you'd send them off to the Italian store, Germans, etc., etc. So you get the idea there where you'd be able to send them to an offer that actually makes sense for their country, their location in the world, because affiliate marketing is worldwide. So anyone can access your website. You want to make sure you send them to the right offer, the one that they're actually going to convert on. So in Thirsty Affiliates Pro, the way that we handle that is with this feature, Geolocations. So the way it works is when the visitor is coming through to your link, they'll see in the background, we check their IP address, and the IP, we can match that up to a country of origin. So you then can supply a different URL for that affiliate link and send those people off directly. And it all happens behind the scenes, it's automatic. So yeah, it's a great little feature, a great way to improve the conversion rate of of the offers that you're sending people to. So let's jump in now, and I'll take you through the feature on an actual website, and you'll be able to see behind the scenes exactly how it works. Hi folks, it's Josh here. We're going to go through how to use the geolocations feature in Thirsty Affiliates Pro. So geolocating affiliate links is a really handy thing to do if you know you have a bit of a mixed audience from different countries. You can then send some of your visitors to a different URL based on the country that they're coming from. And the way we do this is via a special database from the folks at maxmind.com. And that lets us basically look at the IP address of the visitor and detect which country they're from using their database, and send them to an alternative URL, which is something that you can actually set. So I want to give you a demonstration of how it actually works. I have this demo site here, and when I go into the back end here, I'm going to make a new affiliate link. And this will be my test geolink. I'm going to set the destination URL just to something different so that you won't get too confused about this. But what I'm going to do is set some special geolocation URLs. So down here in the little geolocations URL section, you can see that we've got the ability to add countries and pair them up with a different destination URL. So what I want to try and do here, I found this book online by Matthew Inman, is from theoatmeal.com, which is a really funny comic if you want to go and have a look at that. He wrote this book called How to Tell If Your Cat is Plotting to Kill You. So this book is available on Amazon.com, which I'm an affiliate for, so I could send my visitors over to that URL. But there's also a couple of other places online. So bookdepository.co.uk or .com is a really popular one in the UK. And there's also dimix.com.au in Australia. So what I can do is set up a bunch of different URLs for each country that I'm trying to go to. So what I might want to do is set United States, and I can probably also set up Canada and say Mexico, and send them off to the URL for Amazon.com. Now I'm just pasting in the plain URL here instead of my affiliate link just to give you a demonstration. So you can see here that we've got the different country codes, and in the destination URL we have Amazon.com. And if you want to edit that again, you can click on the little pencil here and it brings it back up. You can change the URL, change the countries. So for example, if I wanted to, I could get rid of Mexico and just hit save again, and that will update that record. Now I want to also set up United Kingdom, and we'll put that for the book depository URL. Actually, I should search for the actual title. You tell if your, here we go, cat is planning to kill you. I'll grab that URL there and we'll put that in here. Let's add that in for the United Kingdom one, and that's GB for Great Britain. We'll also grab the book page of dimix.com. Just get rid of that. And I'll do a search for Australia. Place in the link, add the geo link. And now you can see in just a few seconds there, we've built up a list of alternate destination URLs based on the country that it's actually coming from. So if we hit save here, this will save the link, and I've got my URL here. So just to make things a little easier, what I might do, actually, when you're doing a geo link, you might also want to change this to a 307 temporary so that the browser doesn't cache the link. So I'll just save that. And I will add in, just into this blog post here, I'm going to add a link. I'll just call it cat book. So let's select our link here. Look for our test geo link and apply that. So that's our affiliate link inserted. I'll update this post. And I'm just going to switch over to an incognito window here. Whenever you're testing links, I always like to do it in an incognito window because that will ensure that you're getting a completely uncached session in your browser. Now I'm using a VPN software here. You might have heard of VPN software before. Essentially what it does is lets you connect to a different server somewhere over in a different part of the world, and it will change your IP address and mask it so that you can essentially use your computer as if you were in that other country. So I'm going to change mine to United States. Let me just look for a server here. So if you did want to get a bit of software like this one's called VPN Secure, and you can get that by going to thirstyaffiliates.com/recommends/VPN Secure. That will take you off to the website there. And as that connects, you'll be able to see that down here, my location has changed to United States. It's got a different IP address. So I'm currently visiting the site as if I was actually sitting in the United States using this computer in the United States. When I click on this catbook link, you can see that it's gone to the Amazon.com website. So if I could just hit back here, and I'm going to switch back to my affiliate link here, and let's just jump onto a different server. So I'll disconnect from that United States one. And let's look for United Kingdom. So we can tell on our, so I'll let that connect. And you can see down here on our geolocations URL, we've got US and Canada here for the Amazon.com. So what I'm expecting is that when we click on the link now, it'll go straight to bookdepository.com. So we just get rid of that. Let's go back to our little demo site here. So if I now click on this cat book here, we should see that it's gone to book depository instead. And just for one more final test, let's disconnect from this one. And what's the last one for Australia? So I'll connect to an Australian server just to keep things consistent, even though I am based in Australia, as you can probably tell by my accent. We'll use the VPN anyway, just to make sure that it's connecting through. So I've got an Australian IP address there now. Switch back here. Let's go back to the demo site. We'll click on the cat book again, and we should see that this will go to dimix.com.au. So you can see how this geolocations feature can be quite handy for sending people to different locations based on their actual country that they're sitting in. Now, just remember you need to set, if during your testing here, it's best to use an incognito window or a private browsing window or even just another browser. And to also set your affiliate link to use a 302 redirect. We do have a video all about different redirect types. If you want to go to youtube.com/ and just search for Thirsty Affiliates, you'll find all the videos there. And if you want more videos like this one, we have a YouTube channel where we're constantly adding new tutorials, how-tos and more for affiliate marketers. So click on that little logo on your screen right now and you'll be able to subscribe there. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon too so that you get notified of every video. So that concludes this feature overview of the geolocations feature in Thirsty Affiliates Pro. Hope you enjoyed it and you learned a couple of tips to improve your affiliate marketing.